Hey everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to dive into how to use the website builder in Beehivv. This powerful tool allows you to customize virtually every aspect of your Beehivv website, giving you the flexibility to create a unique online presence that perfectly reflects your brand. So to begin, log into your Beehivv account, and once you're in, you will notice the website builder option on the left-hand side of your screen. This is your gateway to a world of customization possibilities. The website builder in Beehivv is designed to help you customize three key pages: your homepage, sign-up page, and upgrade page. To switch between these pages, simply use the drop-down menu at the top of your screen. This allows you to focus on one page at a time, ensuring each receives the attention it deserves. And if you are a detail-oriented person, you will appreciate the ability to fine-tune the meta details of each page. Just click on the settings icon on the right-hand side of the screen. This is useful for SEO purposes, helping your pages rank better in search engine results. Next, we're going to go to the core of the website builder. Beehivv has thoughtfully divided the builder into three main sections: the styles, layout, and the settings. This structure makes it easy to navigate and understand even if you're completely new to website design. The styles tab is where you'll start setting the tone of your entire website. Here you can define default values and styles that will be consistent across your site. And this includes uploading your own logo, selecting your preferred fonts, choosing a color scheme, and even setting the border radius of various components. One of the most powerful features in the Styles tab is the ability to customize global components. These are elements that appear on every page of your website, such as your footer, navigation bar, and the subscribe widget. By setting these up in the Styles tab, you ensure a consistent look and feel throughout your site. If you're ever feeling stuck or in need of inspiration, Beehivv has you covered. In the top right corner, you will find a toggle, for example site, and turning this on will show you a complete website built using the website builder. It's a great way to spark ideas and see the potential of the tool. And if you want to dive deeper into customization, the layout tab is your playground. This is where you can expand upon the default options that you set in the Styles tab and really make each component and section of your website unique. For instance, while the Styles tab lets you set the colors and fonts of your navigation bar, the Layout tab allows you to add pages to this navigation bar. You can also customize how your website's hero section, post section, side widget section, and even the archive section appear. And then you can control what's visible inside them. One of the great features of the Layout tab is the ability to override any default settings that you previously set. This gives you the flexibility to make specific sections stand out or blend in as needed. And don't worry about making mistakes. If you make a change that you're not happy with, you can easily reset it by clicking on the reset icon next to the color picker. The final tab in the website builder is the settings tab. This is where you can configure website-wide settings. Here you can manage your website's security settings, set up tracking pixels, and enable or disable specific features. It's also where you can reset your theme back to the default settings if you ever want to start fresh. Once you're satisfied with your design, you can click on the preview button to see what your website will look like outside of the website builder. And this gives you a chance to experience your site as your visitors will. This way you can catch any issues before you go live. And once you're ready to make your changes public, simply hit the publish button in the top right corner. To see your published site, click on your logo next to the address bar. Keep in mind that website design is an iterative process. Don't be afraid to experiment, make changes, and continually refine your site. And with that, we will have reached the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know if you have any other questions in the comment section down below. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then go ahead and give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.